Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best Dyson Cordless Vacuums 2024, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. Number 5. Smart Washing Mop Robot. Enjoy hands-free cleaning with the iLife W90 Smart Washing Mop Robot. With 5,500 pascals suction power and a large dual water tank, it effectively tackles both wet. Its self-cleaning feature ensures minimal maintenance. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. Number 4. Vacuum Cleaner Accessories. Enhance your Dyson Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with the electric mop head. Designed for wet and dry dual use, it efficiently cleans floors for a sparkling finish. Compatible with various Dyson models, it's a versatile accessory for your cleaning needs. Number 3. Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum. Say goodbye to sticky messes and pet hair with the Tineco Floor 1S5 Pro 2. This smart floor cleaner offers one-step cleaning, effortlessly vacuuming both wet and dry messes. Its cordless design ensures easy maneuverability for efficient cleaning. Please consider to subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 2. Wireless Vacuum Cleaner. Simplify your cleaning routine with the Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Boasting suction power and a smart dust sensor, it efficiently tackles dirt and debris. Its portable design and touchscreen interface make it a convenient choice for home cleaning tasks. Number 1. Tineco Pure 1 Air Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Experience effortless cleaning with the Tineco Pure 1 Air. This lightweight cordless vacuum offers powerful suction, ensuring thorough cleaning without the hassle of cords. With its quiet operation and superior suction. Thanks for watching.